Chairman and Dr. Council. My name is Imran Hussain Khan, and today I'm going to do a persuasive speech on why USA should adopt universal healthcare system. And before that, the first thing what I'm going to do is just define what is universal healthcare system. As you can see, universal healthcare is a medical service where citizens of a country is eligible for quality healthcare despite their ability to pay. And now I'm going to talk about some countries which have already adopted universal healthcare system. The first country which adopted universal healthcare system is Canada, but they have a different name, which is National Health Insurance. Other countries include Great Britain, which includes the name National Health System, and Germany, which has a different name, which is Socialized Health Insurance. And now I'm going to talk about the important points that why USA should adopt universal healthcare system. First point is it is actually a violation of Declaration of Independence. According to the Declaration of Independence, all men have unalienable rights that are among life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. So don't you think this healthcare system is actually violating this? According to former Congressman Dennis Kucinich, as a part of efforts to promote general welfare is a legitimate function of a government. The second point which I'm going to talk about is instituting the right to healthcare could lower the cost of healthcare in the United States. According to study from the University of Massachusetts at Amherst under a single-payer tax system in which all citizens are guaranteed to healthcare, total public and private spending could be lowered by 1.8 trillion over the next 10 years due to lowered administrative and prescription drug costs. And the third point which I'm going to say is it is a right to healthcare could actually save lives. According to study from Harvard researchers, lack of insurance associated with as many as 44,789 deaths per year, which translate to 40% increased risks of death among the uninsured. A Commonwealth Fund study found that due to lack of timely, effective healthcare, the United States ranked bottom of a list of 16 rich nations in terms of preventable mortality. That is quite a lot. And another point which I'm going to say is about providing the citizens a right to healthcare is good for economic productivity. When people have access to healthcare, they live healthier lives and they miss less work, allowing them to contribute more to the economy. And the study researchers at the University of Colorado and Pennsylvania showed that workers with health insurance miss an average of 4.7 fewer working days than employees without health insurance. And the last point which I'm going to say is the right to healthcare could actually prevent medical bankruptcies. According to National Bankruptcy Forum, medical debt is the #1 reasons people file for bankruptcy in United States. If all United States citizens were provided with healthcare under a single-payer tax system, I believe that medical bankruptcy would no longer exist because the government and not the private citizens would pay for the medical bills. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Thank you.
Outstanding work for